All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So on, above something. My tea is on the desk. My books are on my desk too. My books. Yes, they're on the desk. Yeah, on the desk. How cool is that? These books are on the table. Yeah, these books are on the table. Yeah. She is on a boat. Yeah. I am on a chair. Chair. The screen is on the table. Yeah. Table. My coffee is on the table too. How cool is that? Yeah. We were on a boat last night. On the boat. That was on the wall earlier. I have a lot of artwork on the wall. Artwork on the wall. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. She is on the boat now. Yep. Very good. I will be on the boat with her. I can't get on that plane. Yeah. Yeah. We won't go on that road. We won't go on that road. But I will go on that road instead. But I will go on that road instead. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Now, can you use on in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.